गाइस 50 तोला कैसे हैं आप लोग? नेटफ्लिक्स पे रिसेंटली रिलीज हुई है रे सीरीज बेस्ड ऑन द शॉर्ट स्टोरीज ऑफ सत्यजीत रे and has been directed by 3 different directors having 4 different actors. So we'll review it today and tell you which episode was the best. Guys, before going to the review of the movie, let us take some time and remember Satyajit Ray, who he was and why was he so famous that aaj bhi after 20 years of his passing away people are making movies based on his stories. Talking about Satyajit Ray, I'll just tell you about 3 awards that he has won. The first is National Award. Not once, not twice, not thrice. He's won it 36 times. The second award would be Academy Award, or generally called Oscars. Now Satyajit Ray is the only Indian who has been given an honorary Academy Award in 1992. The third, and this will be a showstopper, is Bharat Ratna. Guys, हम सबके पास एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसके लिए हम जाने जाते हैं. Everybody knows us because of that. It can be your good singing skills. It can be your good communication skills. It can be your looks, your acting, anything. And suddenly you realize one day that you are slowly losing it. How would you feel? Won't it be scary? This, guys, is the crux of the story of the first episode called Forget Me Not. Forget Me Not is directed by Srijit Mukherjee, who is a well-known director in the Indian cinema. Majorly इन्होंने बंगाली फिल्म्स में काम किया है and he has also won a national award for his films. The episode follows Ipsit. Ipsit is an entrepreneur और his memory is very very sharp. एक बार अगर कोई चीज़ याद हो जाए तो he never forgets it. Everything was going well in Ipsit's life until he meets a girl. उस लड़की से मिलने के बाद he realizes that he has started losing his memory skills. उसके बाद क्या होता है, how he deals with it is the story for you to find out. This episode contains good cinematography, good direction, a good story by Satyajit Ray and good performances by the star cast. The star of the show here is Ali Fazal. He has given an excellent performance and delivers the role with a pinpoint accuracy. We can also see कि हर movie, हर series के साथ he is getting better and better as an actor. And it is very evident that in the coming future he is going to be one of the big guns of the industry. So thumbs up to Ali Fazal. The second episode is Behrupia, which is again directed by Srijit Mukherjee and stars the great K.K. Menon. K.K. Menon plays the role of Indrashish, a miserable man who has just failed in life. He is a bad employee, his girlfriend has refused his proposal for marriage and his grandmother has died just now. But Indrashish has done one good thing in life. He's taken good care of his grandmother. Now after she dies, she leaves a lot of money for Indrashish along with a book on makeup. अब इंद्राशीष ये मनी और ये मेकअप की बुक का किस तरह इस्तेमाल करता है, that is the story about. This episode has been directed well. Cinematography is also very good. और एक्टिंग में K.K. Menon has given an excellent performance. But this episode misses its mark when compared to the first episode, Forget Me Not. Guys, हंगामा है क्यों बरपा. This is the third episode starring Manoj Bajpayee, directed by Abhishek Chaubey. Now, if we look at the series and the 4 episodes that are there, this episode will hit the mark just right. The story is about 2 strangers sharing a train journey. Musafir Ali, played by Manoj Bajpayee, and Aslam Beg, played by Gajraj Rao. The interesting thing is कि ये दोनों पहली बार नहीं मिले हैं, and only one of the character realizes that. Now, उनकी पुरानी मुलाकात का इस ट्रेन जर्नी पे क्या असर पड़ता है, that is the story for you to find out. Now guys, हंगामा है क्यों बरपा is just a masterpiece. The direction is just absolutely crisp. Acting by मनोज वाजपेयी, अब क्या बोलें कि क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया है मनोज वाजपेयी ने. I think Gangs of Wasseypur के बाद this is the best performance given by Manoj Bajpayee. Gajraj Rao has also done a good job. Now guys, we absolutely recommend you go and see this episode first because this is the best episode out of the 4. His last episode in the series is called Spotlight. It is directed by Vasan Bala and stars Harshvardhan Kapoor, our Lakhan's son, as a lead role. Guys, इस episode की story के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं करते हैं. When we look at the star cast that has been taken in all 4 episodes or the 3 episodes before, Harshvardhan Kapoor we think does not fit well here. There is an evident gap in the acting that has been done by the 3 big actors before and what is delivered by Harshvardhan Kapoor. We think that the casting could have been better. Harshvardhan Kapoor की जगह they could have taken some more talented actor because Harshvardhan Kapoor is just bland. He's like a blank page in this episode. It is really unfortunate and we think the filmmakers could have done more justice to this episode. Episode देखने के बाद सत्यजीत रे जी की आत्मा और मेरी आत्मा ने मिलके साथ में रुलाई की है. It was such a big disappointment. Now guys, let's come to the verdict. अभी देखते हैं कि episodes में who was the best and who was the least best. Okay, so the best episode of the series was हंगामा है क्यों बरपा. This episode is an absolute masterpiece and we give it 10 में से 10 तोला. Second guys is Forget Me Not. Excellent performance given by Ali Fazal and we give it 10 में से 8.5 तोला. बहरी रुपया को हम देते हैं 10 में से 8 तोला. Now talking about the 4th episode, the only bad thing about this episode was the acting of Harshvardhan Kapoor. So this episode gets 10 में से 7 तोला. So guys, we hope you liked the review. Please like and subscribe and we'll keep coming up with good stuff like this for you again.